Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ayaz Faiz. I'm country manager of WaveTech. WaveTech is being around for almost 2 decades now, and we have been providing technology solutions to more than 30 countries now. And most of our customers are from the financial industry. We have been providing solutions to stock markets all over the world, mainly to the GCC countries. As you can see in the backdrop, you'll find our installations, which is Bahrain Stock Exchange, and then Dubai Financial Market, from which way we have started, and then different other stock exchanges. We started from Karachi Stock Exchange, and then we entered into Dubai Financial Market. That turned out to be our door opening for us in that region, and then we use it as our reference point for the other stock exchanges in the region. So, and we are into different continent now. We are into Africa. We are in South America now. We have recently opened office in Kenya, Nairobi, and we believe that there is a lot of potential in Africa. In Pakistan, we have been providing solution to the banking industry, to telecommunication industry. So you'll find our products in almost all the banks and telecommunication companies. We have two core products. One is the electronic queue management system. You must have found in different banks where you get the printed ticket and your number is called on a specific counter, and along with it, wherever there is a service quality perspective, you'll find the electronic queue system there. And similarly, from the information display system perspective, as I told you, that we have installations all over the world. If you go to one of the stores in UK, Tesco, you will find our displays at 300 stores of Tesco there. Then if you go to any major stock exchange, you will find our displays there. So in stock exchange, we have been providing turnkey solutions. That means the complete displays in the trading hall, and then the connectivity with the live feed of the stock exchange. So it's a complete turnkey solution which combine hardware and software both.